Can you change your font color depending on if you're on a desktop or a mobile? Yes, you can. It's a bit of a strange question, but someone did ask us, so I've gone and done a video for it, which is what you're watching right now. This text already does actually have a color applied to it. If you go over to site settings, you will see that in the global colors, it already has the black color assigned. However, if I go over here to the actual text editor and I go to style, you can see that it says a color is applied, but it is just a global color. So just make sure that you haven't actually assigned anything. By the way, if you do try and clear the text editor, it does sometimes click back onto the global color because there is a global color applied. But don't worry, because the CSS code we're going to use will actually overwrite or undo that by using the important or exclamation mark important, but don't worry about that. Now, the text editor, the key thing is that you do have to give it a class name. I've called it TC for text color because I couldn't be bothered to write it out. And then over here in the custom CSS, I'm going to drop in a bit of code. And let me show you what this looks like when you go to the mobile. We have the same color applied. I'm going to drop in this little bit of code. It says .tc, so the class name is text color, TC, color, and then I've got this magenta-ish code in FF0050, and then I've put exclamation mark important and the final bit of the code. And you can see what it's doing here. But here's the interesting bit. We then have a replica of that over here, but this time I've put in a blue color of 0000FF, but before it, it says at media only screen and maximum width 600 pixels. That means from 0 to 600 pixel, give me this blue color instead. After that, go and give me the magenta color. So now when I go over to the mobile, I get a completely different color flick in, whatever you want to say. Whereas on the desktop, we get that magenta-y, pinkish, reddish color. So if this is something you want to do, one of the reasons why this could be applicable is, let's say you've got the text over an image, absolute positioning, could even be a call to action, something like that. And the text is like a dark color or a lighter color. But when you get to the mobile, because of the mobile size, you now need a darker color to click in or a lighter one, whichever way it works. This could work for you. I'm Imran Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat.